Hello, students. I hope you all are fine at your home and doing well. So, this is the podcast on the topic from Why Do We Fall Ill? Class 9 Biology, Episode 1 Causes of Disease. What causes disease? When we think about causes of disease, we must remember that there are many levels of such diseases and there are different levels of causes as well. Let us take one example. A baby is suffering from loose motion. We can say that the cause for loose motion is probably an infection. But then the question is that how does the child got that infection? Suppose we find that infection came through unclean drinking water. But then there are many babies who must have had this unclean drinking water. So why is that only one baby that developed loose motion when other babies did not? Then we can think that the reason might be that the baby is not healthy. As a result, it might be more likely to have disease when exposed to risk. Then the next question is why the baby is not healthy. Perhaps it could be because of not well nourished and does not get enough food. So the lack of nourishment becomes second cause of disease. Further, when we think of this cause, we can see that why baby is not well nourished. So the possible answer could be that the household where the baby is born and is brought up is poor. It could also have certain genetic factor which is affecting baby a lot when it is exposed to any kind of pathogen. Without pathogen, genetic factor could not cause or alone would not lead to loose motion, but they do become contributory causes of diseases. So, here through this example, we can understand that there is not only one cause of disease, that is direct infection, but several other causes which are making this infection happen. So, infection could be considered as immediate cause, whereas other causes which are aligned with the immediate cause are called as contributory causes. Most of the disease will have many causes rather than one single cause. So, as we see, it is very important that we should keep in mind public health and community health factors when we think about causes of disease. Now, when we think about the immediate cause of disease, it can belong to two distinct types. One group which can cause infectious disease through infectious agent, and it is mostly by microbes or microorganisms. Now these kind of diseases where microbes are immediate cause are called infectious diseases. This is because the microbes can spread in community and the disease they cause will spread with them. On the other hand, the diseases are not infectious They are not caused by infectious agent. They are not the one which have any external cause like microbe. Instead, these are mostly internal, and so they are called as non-infectious diseases because they have non-infectious causes. For example, cancer, which is caused by genetic abnormality, high blood pressure that can be caused by excessive weight and lack of exercise. So we can think of many other diseases where immediate causes will not be infectious. Now it is important to understand that the way in which diseases spread and the ways in which they can be treated and prevented at community level would be different for different diseases because their causes are different. There could be immediate cause, there could be a lot of contributory cause. So this would depend a lot on whether the immediate causes are infectious or it is non-infectious. Based upon the cause of disease, we then segregate diseases into infectious diseases and into non-infectious diseases, and then we finally try to act upon it and we try to treat that disease. I hope you have understood the different causes of disease, infectious diseases and non infectious diseases.